Hey guys, JTKicks here, back with another tech video. And I know it's been a long time since it's been a tech video, but I don't get tech that often. But today I have the Samsung Galaxy Buds. So let's go through a quick little rundown of the specs they have in the box here. So we have 6 hours of playing time, 7 hours of charging time, combined 13 hours. It handles your calls, voice assistance, all that good stuff. Wireless charging, so you can put the case on a wireless charging pad or on a phone like the Galaxy S10 where wirelessly charges through the phone. That works as well. And it's got a bunch of ear tip and ear wing customizations. So let's get in the box. And here we have the case with the earbuds inside. Yep. And then we have a box here with all of our little customizations for the earbuds, and we have our USB-C charging cable for the case itself. Now, inside here, I did already set it up with my phone, but I'll show you guys a little quick demonstration. You open it up here, and usually when you first set it up, it will come up on the bottom of the screen and say Galaxy Buds. Now it's already set up with my phone, but when you first set it up, it just says Galaxy Buds, and then you hit connect, and it runs through all the little processes of connecting to it, and then it gets all the software information downloaded, updated, all that good stuff, and it's connected. So literally all you have to do is just open up the case and hit connect, and then you're done. And the earbuds come connected together out the box. And let's do a little sound test. But before we do the sound test, let's go over the design for the earbuds. They're nice and small and compact, really shiny on the touch pads. These are Taptic touch pads, so you can use your finger. It senses taps, like you can double tap or triple tap or just tap once for a single command. And they have little active ear wings right here. You can change these to like have flat versions, but they have the active ones in here. So if like you're a runner or you play sports with these in, they hit the top of your ear canal, so they would stay in. And yeah, let's go put in our ear. And when you put the earbuds in, it gives you a little chime to let you know that they're in your ear and you're ready to listen. So let's go for a quick little sound test here. Oh, hold on a second. All right, there we go. So the bass is really good. It's really nice and clean bass. You can hear all the instruments in the background. It's just a nice, clear audio sound with a good range of different noises and other instruments in the song, so that's pretty good. So I picked these up at Best Buy for $130, but they usually sell for $140. But if you're a person who has a phone without a headphone jack, or you're looking for some good Bluetooth phones in the market and you have a Samsung phone, I would definitely suggest picking these up because they are in the Samsung ecosystem and it's going to be easy to connect and all that. So I'll use these for about 2 weeks or so, and I'll come back with a full in-depth review going through all the features and the special sauce that these earbuds have. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video and this channel with your friends and family. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.